Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make this cute little blender out of polymer clay and resin. And for the resin portion, there's actually no mold that I made for it, so let's get started. So to make the resin portion of the blender, we are going to use tape. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take some tape and I'm just sticking it against each other just so it's smooth and shiny on both sides. And I have two pieces, one longer than the other. Then I'm going to take a piece of tape and I'm going to connect the ends together and I'm going to roll it up into a pipe shape. So I'm going to do that with both pieces. One's going to be a wider pipe than the other. And then I'm going to place the two tubes of tape on top of a piece of tape on the bottom, making sure that the smaller one fits inside the bigger one. And then I'm going to seal the edges with some UV resin, and the resin's going to go along the outside and then the inside of the most inner tube. And I'm going to cure that, and that's just so resin doesn't leak when we pour resin in between the two pieces of tape, and let that cure. And then once cured, we're going to take off the tape around the piece of resin, and it should come off pretty easily. And as you can see, the resin piece is very uneven, so I'm taking some sandpaper and I'm going to smooth out the edges until it's equal on both sides. Then we're off to the clay pieces, so I'm taking some white translucent clay and I'm going to roll it into a thick snake. And then I'm going to cut off the ends. And this will be used for the handle, so what we're going to do is we're going to bend part of the ends to the side so it has a C shape to it. So next we're going to make the lid of the blender, so I'm going to take some red clay, I'm going to flatten it out, not too flat though, we want it a little bit thick. And I made an indent of our little resin piece of blender so I can cut out a nice flat circle. And then I'm just smoothing out the edges with my fingers. And then I'm going to take another piece of red clay and I'm going to flatten it out into another circle. And then we're going to place that in the middle of our larger circle just so it lays nice and flat on top of our blender. Next we're going to take some red clay and we're going to flatten it out to a long flat strip. And we're using our blade, we're going to cut out a rectangular shape. And we're going to wrap the strip around the edge of our lid. And we are going to cut off the excess, and then I'm using my fingers just to blend the creases together. Next I'm taking some white translucent clay and I'm going to roll it into a flat cylinder and I'm going to cut out a little disc out of it. And I'm just going to reshape it with my fingers a little bit just because it always comes a little flat when you cut it. And it's just going to go on top of the lid, right in the middle. And then gently we're going to pull the lid off from our little resin piece. Then we're going to make the base of the blender, so I'm going to take some red clay again and I'm going to flatten it out slightly just so we can have a really thick piece. And then what I'm doing is I'm cutting out a trapezoid out of the blender. It's basically a square with like a slanted part in the front. And then flattening out with my roller, making sure it's big enough that the resin piece will sit on top of it nicely. And then I'm going to take some silver clay and I'm going to roll it into an oval shape. And then using my clay roller, we're going to flatten it out. And we're going to place this oval on the slanted part of our blender base. And next we're going to make the buttons, so we're going to take some black clay and we're going to flatten it out and we're going to cut out a bunch of rectangles out of them. And we're going to place them onto our little gray oval. For the blender's legs, we're going to take some black clay and roll it into a thick snake and we're going to cut out 4 little discs. And on the underside of our blender base, we're just going to place them along the corners. So for the blades of the blender, we're going to take some silver clay and roll it out flat. Then we're gonna cut out the blade shape. So it's basically a square with 4 triangles that stick out on the sides of them. Kind of like, I don't know, like one of those ninja discs. And then we're gonna cut it out and bend the corners of the triangles inward. And in the middle, we're gonna place a little silver dot of clay. And we're gonna place the blade in the middle of our blender base. And this completes the clay portion of our project. So we're gonna bake in the oven according to label instructions. And here are the pieces all baked. So first I'm going to apply some super glue along the rim of our resin tube, and we're going to stick that onto the blender base. Next we're going to apply some super glue onto the handles, and that's going to stick onto the side of our blender. And then we're going to apply some super glue onto the front of our resin tube so we can give it some dot eyes and a line smile. But of course, as always, this is optional. And we're going to place our polymer clay blender lid on top so it should stick on nicely. And then the final step, and also another optional step, is to apply a layer of UV resin all around. And once the UV resin or glaze, whatever you choose, has cured, we have our completed cute little blender. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think about the no mold resin piece. Thank you.